The command line is making a comeback, baby. Let me show you this cool new tool that lets you present slideshows right from the command line. First, we'll need to install it. The command is called slides. It's by Maaslalani, and I'll link to the repo in the description. And it's a tool written in Go. Now, for our first run, we'll just run slides without any arguments. And what this does is it'll load up a sample presentation. So here we can see we have some headers. We have a footer. We can hit N and P to go back and forth between the slides. We have some code that we're showing with syntax highlighting. We can even add tables, diagrams. And it's easy as just putting dash, dash, dash in a markdown file to delineate where you want to cut off and break up your markdown into slides. Enough talking. Let's create our own. So I'll hit Q to exit out, and let's just create prezi.md. So this is my slideshow by me. Put a dash, dash, dash for marking that that's the end of the first slide, and we'll move on to the second slide. And here, let's add some code, and I'll put some JavaScript here. Let's do like a console log. Hello. And then we'll make a third slide, and here we'll do something a little fun. Okay, so here instead of a code block, we're going to do tilde, tilde, tilde to mark another block. And what we're going to do is essentially we're going to pass whatever's in this block as standard input into a shell command of our choosing. So in this case, I'll call cowsay. Okay? And for anyone unfamiliar, how cowsay works is it just takes whatever you pass in and has a cow say it. Okay, so one last thing we need to do before we can run our slideshow, and it's because we added an invocation of a shell program, we have to mark our slideshow as an executable. So let me just do that really quick, and now we'll call it. There we go, there's our first slide. Our second slide, we can see the syntax highlighting. And there's our third slide with our cow.